Hi, in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to compare stats. This demo may be displayed in different sports, but the examples apply to all sports simple stats apps. So start by going to the Players tab. From there, pick the player that you want to do a stat comparison with by clicking onto the menu button. Here you can see you have a share via. The sharing image is this player profile card. So whatever the stat summaries are you're seeing here is what you're going to share. So if I shared this in a text or on social media, it's a different artifact than you might be used to seeing when it was just the one single game result or a whatever filters you have applied for that game summary. This is a side-by-side comparison for your player to show stats when they may have played on one team better than another. So that's what you're sharing here, but how do you change these is the real question. So go down to the left column and the right column, and on the left column you would pick what you want to be displayed. By default it's all games on the left, and on right it's the most recent game. But let's change it to be last year on the left and this year on the right. Wonderful. I'm outperforming this year, so I've made progress. I'm doing better, which was what we would hope to see, I think, with most athletes. Unless maybe they're going up in a different division or a different league. But that gives you some real good granularity to work with in comparing these. Another might be like a team. Let's see how I do with the Eagles on the left versus on the right. How do I do on the Champs? Oh, my Champs, the name is misleading. I'm not doing as well as I might have expected. Maybe I want to see instead my favorites. Let's do my non-favorites on the left and my favorites on the right. Wonderful. Just as expected, all my favorite games that I flagged, I was doing great with. So almost unanimously every stat I've been better in, except maybe the goalie stats. Okay, let's go to one more example. Let's do a division. Let's do, or league. I like leagues. Let's do a school on the left, and on the right, the league will be my club. Oh, wow, I play way better on my club team than I do my school team. And so this is where I would make my changes to reflect what I want and then share those stats summaries with anybody via text or social media. So that's how you would do a side-by-side stat comparison. At any point you forget what the stats mean, you can always click on the view glossary to help remind you what a specific line item might reference. Hopefully that's helpful. Congratulations, you now know how to compare stats and share them with your network.